Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain USAA DriveSafe app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started, in 2005 the USAA DriveSafe app, also known as Safe Pilot, rewards safe drivers by tracking habits like phone use, speeding and hash braking to offer auto insurance discount up to 30%. Just enrolling earns you a 10% discount, and the app includes crash detection, claim assistance. Many users like its potential for long-time savings and find it easy to use, especially on iOS where it runs smoothly in the background. That said, users often complain about inaccurate trip scoring, penalties for hand-free phone use, and battery drain, especially on Android. Some also say it's mislabeled flight or passenger trip as drives, so which then have to be manually connected. And here's a very conclusion about this platform. So USAA DriveSafe is worth it for caution drive seeking insurance discount, but be prepared to monitor your trip closely and deals with occasional tracking squawk. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the vision button and subscribe for more. Thanks.